Along with contributing to the overall health of ecosystems, protecting bats would save a lot of money. The cost of white nose syndrome continues to escalate.
And it's been estimated that $20 to $30 billion worth of insectivore service will be lost with the loss of this bat population. And the money comes from having to replace the bats that used to eat the insects with insecticides and the like to prevent crop damage. So it's not only important for ecology, the loss of a very important species or a group of species is very devastating to an ecosystem.
Arizona farmers are anxious about white nose syndrome and other hazards with potential to jeopardize the health of this area.
Being an organic farmer, being a beekeeper, being a flower gardener, I see we have toads, we have frogs, we had a turtle here yesterday that wandered in. We're doing something that's encouraging all that ecosystem to survive, and the bats are certainly a part of it. And they keep coming back every year, so this must be a healthy place for them to come.
Gould and other farmers believe they have a role to play in preserving this environment, but some perils are beyond their control.
Get the light switched on.
Jason Corbett of Bats Conservation International spends a lot of time in caves, a favorite hideaway for bats.
So one of the things that we're most interested in determining the habitat potential and suitability for bats in a feature like this is temperature and humidity. Looks like we've got the shine of some moth parts on the floor, and these are specifically the wings of some smaller moths.
Monitoring cave climates and signs of bat activity can assist land managers' preservation of habitats at a time when surface temperatures are rising.
So many of the bats, particularly ones that live in here, eat some of the insects that are damaging to trees, and you can kind of make the connection from there that if they're keeping those insects in check, then theoretically, at least on the insect population side of things, they're helping out, doing their part with forest health.
Corbett does research in caves and abandoned mines throughout the region, contributing to the growing knowledge base of habitats, knowing that the health of bats is connected to many plant and animal species.
Still to come, researching bat populations on the Vermilion Cliffs.
So this is the actual detector, and then this is the recorder. This writes to the card.